That's the truck for the Jurassic Park movie. Is that right? But what did you do? That's broken. Put it back together. Oh no. That's okay. There you go. See, remember they were on that truck when they were chased by the dinosaur.
Why dinosaur?
Uh-huh. Is that the guide? Is that the driver?
Guy.
Uh-huh.
Driver. Uh-oh.
Put him back inside the truck and fix it. Uh-oh, doesn't fit. It's too big.
There.
Oh no. There you go. But where's the driver? Be careful.
It's the driver.
Uh-huh. Maybe he's not the driver. Maybe there's another there in the box.
Little in the box.
Yeah, maybe the driver is still in the box. Ta-da! Okay. We're trying to fit him in. Are you trying to fit him inside the car? Okay. Show mommy. One more try. No.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, but there you go, but he's lying down. He's supposed to sit up properly so he can drive properly. Okay? Uh-oh. That's okay. Oh, no. No, don't do that.
I can't do it. I can't.
Oh, no.
I can't. Right.
Oh, there's a different truck now.
And put it inside.
Yeah, put him inside, please.
No.
Does it fit?
I can't.
No, he's too big on that baby.
And this one is fitting and fit.
Be careful.
Fitted then.
There you go. He can just sleep in the car then.
Oh, there you go.
There you go. Very good.
And then drive the car.
No, he's sleeping in the car. Uh-oh.
Drive the door. Drive there.
Yeah, he'll drive later. He's probably sleepy. He wants to sleep first.
Drive first. We drive.